Hello there. We continue to see a lot of cloud across the UK, some outbreaks of rain slowly pushing east and southeastwards too. Briefly milder, we can see the yellows on the map. However, as this low pressure pulls away, we see the cold air dragging back southwards again, and a cold week to come. And then it's through the last part of Wednesday, Thursday and into Friday, we see this area of low pressure. It could interact with the colder air, giving the increasing risk of some rain, sleet and perhaps snow in places too, particularly over the higher ground. Details on this still need to be pinned down, so stay tuned to the forecast over the coming days. At the moment it's quite mild across much of the UK as this rain pushes slowly eastwards across England and Wales, Northern Ireland seeing some outbreaks of rain too. Showers for Scotland as we head into the early hours. Some of these on the wintry side, clear spells in between, allowing the temperatures to dip away here, so we could see some icy stretches taking us into Monday morning. But with the cloud and rain across the rest of the UK, less cold, temperatures holding up above freezing, generally between 3 and 7 Celsius, 8 or 9 possible across the far southwest. So a mild start here to Monday morning, but showery outbreaks of rain which could be heavy at times. And as the low pulls away, so does the rain. So it starts to turn brighter through the day across northern and western parts. Plenty of sunny spells across Northern Ireland, western parts of Scotland, and then later on western England and Wales seeing some sunnier breaks. Generally cloudy for central and eastern England, showery outbreaks of rain and heavy showers running along eastern parts of northeast England into Scotland. Some of these could contain hail, perhaps the odd rumble of thunder, and falling of sleet and snow over the higher ground of Scotland too, which could lead to some tricky travelling conditions here. And then as we look at temperatures, well, generally 6 or 7 degrees for many of us, so a cold feeling day, but we can see in the southwest highs initially were around 10, 11, 12 Celsius, by the afternoon down to 8 or 9 as that colder air filters southwards. Quite a keen northeasterly breeze along the east coast, making it feel chillier than the numbers suggest. Further showers overnight into Tuesday morning in the east, but generally becoming a bit more confined to the coast, allowing clearer spells to develop. Frost a little bit more widely, developing across the northern half of the UK, some mist and fog patches forming too. We notice still some wintry showers leading to icy conditions across northern Scotland. Patchy frost possible further south, but here we're a bit more cloud around, temperatures just hovering a little above freezing, falling below in the countryside in the north, so a cold start to Tuesday. Cloud will melt away. We'll see plenty of sunshine through Tuesday, a much brighter day for all, but there will be a scattering of showers, particularly across parts of Scotland into Northern Ireland, running down the east coast of England too. By the afternoon, a few developing across central southern England. Again, the showers will fall as sleet and snow over parts of Scotland, especially over the higher ground, but most places dry. Plenty of a sunny spell, still that keen northerly breeze down the east coast, and a cold feeling day, 4 to 6 Celsius for many, 8 or 9 across the far south and southwest. Stays generally dry for much of Wednesday as well, but later on we'll see it turning increasingly unsettled as low pressure starts to move in. So continued risk of overnight frost and fog, but then as that low pressure moves in, it could bump against this colder air. We could see some rain turn to snow, particularly over the higher ground of central and southern parts of the UK. Further wintry showers further north across parts of Scotland, northern England, Northern Ireland too. So one to watch as we head towards the middle part and end part of the week. So you can do that by keeping up to date with our forecasts on our social media channels and also subscribing to us on YouTube. See you again soon.